Google is about to flip the Pixel game on its head. Rumors hint at lightning, fast 5G, AI, powered features you didn't know you needed, and foldables that could finally make sense. If these leaks are true, the Pixel 11 isn't just an upgrade. It could redefine what a smartphone can do. Welcome back, viewers! James here. Like, share, and subscribe for more. The Pixel 11 could be the most ambitious Google phone yet. Insider whispers suggest a shift to MediaTek's M90 modem, promising dual 5G connections, satellite support, and download speeds that could make buffering a thing of the past. Combine that with lighter designs, smarter AI, and foldables designed for real-world use, and suddenly 2026 is looking like a landmark year for Pixel fans. Software isn't being left behind either. Google's latest updates let you remix photos in Messages, apply one-click themes across your entire phone, and manage notifications smarter than ever. Scam detection now scans messages, maps can save battery with a new power-saving mode, and Magic Q edits make creative tweaks easy for everyone. Every corner of the Pixel ecosystem is getting smarter, faster, and more personal. Pair these upgrades with MediaTek M90 and Tensor G6 hardware, and you could be looking at the most connected, responsive, and AI-driven Pixel yet. It's a subtle shift under the hood, but one that could redefine how we think about smartphones. Would a MediaTek-powered Pixel 11 finally make you switch? Or is the new foldable design the real winner? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm curious to hear what you think about Google's boldest leap yet. Until next time, stay tech-savvy, stay curious, and keep exploring the future of mobile tech.